Now, in this video, we are going to take up one more problem on the projections of lines of problem number 77. How to draw this solution by using AutoCAD software. So the problem reads as, find the true length and the true inclination of a line capital AB with HP, having one of its ends 20 mm in front of VP and 30 mm above HP. The line is inclined at 40 degrees to VP and the right side view of the line is 60 mm long and inclined at 60 degrees to X1 by 1 line. Draw all the three views of the line. So this is the solution we need to write. So here, first we will go for the AutoCAD screen and switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. Now the command is limits. Specify lower left corner 0, 0. Enter it. Upper right corner 297, 210. Then zoom all. Now we'll go for a line command. First we're going to draw the A4 size sheet. Select some arbitrary point on the left corner of the sheet, the screen, and type relative polar coordinate system at the rate 297 less than 0. Enter. Again at the rate 210 less than 90. Again at the rate 297 less than 180. Enter and say close. Now you go to zoom extents and zoom 0.6x. So this is one more method of drawing a rectangle by using the relative polar coordinate system. Now we will go for layer. Click on new layer, type the layer by name XY, enter. Click on new, type the layer by name front view, enter. FE. Click on new, type the layer by name top view, enter. Click on new, type the layer by name side view, SV, enter. Click on new, type the layer by name true length, TL, enter. And type the layer by name locus, enter it. Now we will go for the line thicknesses. So line weight of layer 0 will always contain the projector lines. The projector line should be of 0.05 and say OK. Then the layer XY will going to have the line weight as 0.13. OK. And the front view should have 0.5. OK. Then the top view should have 0.5. OK. Then the true length side view will also have 0.5. Okay. Then the true length line will going to have 0.3. Okay. And the locus line will going to have 0.05. Then the line weight of the locus line should be dash dot. So you click on continuous line type of the layer locus. Now you are going to by default you will always have the loaded line type as continuous. Now I want to first load the dash dot. So you click on load. Take the cursor here and type D dash dot and say OK, and click on dash dot and say OK now. Then we have the true length. Now we're going to change the colors. The true length will going to have the index color as 30. OK. The side view should contain the green color. OK. Then the top view should have the red color. OK. And the front view should have the magenta color. OK. So this is how you will be able to create the layer and its line types, line weights and color. Once you do that, now we are going to close this. Now we will come to the solution. First we are going to draw the XY and X1 by 1 line. So go to line command, draw some arbitrary, select some arbitrary point and draw a horizontal line of any distance and again enter. Again you just take the line command and draw a vertical line of some distance like this. Now we need to go for offset 20 mm below XY line and 30 mm above XY line of, and you take any distance and from there you draw a vertical line. So to do that, so go to offset, take the distance as 30 mm above XY line. So offset you take 30, enter, you select this and then again take 20 offset select this horizontal line and offset downward direction. Then go to line, draw a vertical line of any distance, and then go to fillet between these two, and fillet between these two. Now we have the front view point and the top view point. Then we need to create the side view. So you draw a line inclined at an angle of 45 degrees, and then you project this and you project this, and from here you project this. So you're going to get a double dash. So to do that, so now first we'll go for a line command. Draw a line int at the rate of 100 less than minus 135. Then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line here. Again you take line int of this and draw a horizontal line to the left side. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between these two, and then fillet between these two. So we have the side view point. Once you get this, then you can draw a line of 60 mm 60 mm inclined at 30 degrees to XY line. So to do that, so go to line, take int of this at the rate 60 less than, if you are going by clockwise anti-clockwise direction, 90 plus 60, it will be 150 degrees. So you take 150 degrees and then you just press enter key. Now we have this line inclined at an angle of 60 degrees to XY line. Works for my one line. Once you do that, now you project this line and also you project this to the front view. Top view. So to do that, I will go for a line, take end point of this and draw a vertical line. Then go to extend, select this as the boundary and object to extend as this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line. Then go to fillet between these two. So now we got the top view now. Then he says the line is inclined at 40 degrees to VP. So that means he has given the true inclination. So go to line, take int of this and inclination at the rate to take distance as 200 less than minus 40. So you are going to get this point. Then go to trim this line. So you are going to get this. So once you get the 30 degrees to VP, so now we have and the right side view 60 degree XY1 line 60 mm. Now we need to go for the next position. So now we need to go to the we have the locus of B in the top view, and now similarly we will going to have the locus of B in the front view also. Once you get this, now what we can do is from here you draw a perpendicular to this line, and from there you draw an arc so that it will going to get the front view. So to do that, so I will going to go for a line command, draw a line from intersection point of this to perpendicular to this line. Then you go to circle, take int of this and then intersection point of this now. So once you do that, so you will going to get the front view now. So go for a line command, take int of this and take int of this. Then you go for a trim, select between these two and trim this portion and also this portion. Then go to erase this line. Once you get the front view, now we need to go for the top view now. From here you draw a line perpendicular to this line, and then from there you draw a top view line. So now you got the top view. Once you get the top view, so you make this top view line parallel to VP, then you will going to get the front view. So to do that, so here go to circle, take int of this and take intersection point of this now. So then go to trim between these two, then go to erase this line here. Then go to line, take int of this, take perpendicular to this, and from there intersection point of this. So now we got the true length here. Then you just go to fillet between this line and this line. We got this. Then again fillet between this line and this line. So now we have the solution. Then go to break this line here. Again you break this line till here. So you just go to break this line, and you break on this side. So here you break this on this side. Similarly, you break this line till here, and you break this line till here, and you break this line till here, and you break this line till here. Once you do that, now we need to change the layers. First we will go to these two, change these two to layer locus. So then change the line type of locus to 10. Then we need to go for this line, go to layer, make that layer as side view and switch on the line weight display. Then we go for this line and this line, which is XY line, make that line as XY. Once you do that, then we go for the true length line, select between these two. Then go to layer, make that layer as true length. Then you click on this, take this line as layer front view. Then similarly, go to this line, select this line, go to layer, make that layer as top view. Now once you do that, now we have everything has been done. Then go to DDIM, then go to modify. So you go to text, take the text height has 3, aligned with the dimension line. Then text placement becomes above, and take the offset from the dimension line as 2. Then go to primary units, make this as 0, and decimal degrees is also 0. Then go to symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3, and go to lines, take the offset from the origin as 2, and say OK and set close. Now once you get this line, so now we need to leader, select this line, nearest point on this. So you take this line, project this line till here, annotation, option. Once you do that, now we need to project this, then you project this, then you project this, so you will go to get it. Now we need to, once you go to this, then you just switch off the mode, go to leader, take nearest on this, take tangentially to this arc, then go to annotation, option, then again go to leader, take nearest, switch on the ortho mode, select this and you drag this down, annotation, option. So you're going to get this. Now you go to, again take leader, take nearest on this line, and then you take annotation, options, none. Then again you just click on this, go to leader, take nearest on this, and you project this, annotation, option, none. Then go to leader, take nearest on this. So here we need to take this, annotation, option, none. Again go to leader, take nearest on this, annotation, option, none. Go to leader, take nearest on this, annotation, options, none. Then go to leader, take nearest on this. So you take this on this side, annotation, option, none. Go to leader, take nearest on this, then annotation, options, none. So similarly, leader, take nearest on this, annotation, options, none. Then go to explode, explode these two, and this, and this. So and this, this, and this, 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 and this. Then go to erase, erase this, erase this, erase this, then erase this. Once you get this, now you erase this line, you erase this line, erase this. So sorry, go to leader, take nearest on this, annotation option, then go to explode, then go to erase, then you erase this line, erase this line, erase this line, erase this line. Now we have all the directions of projections has been done. Then go to zoom window to take nearer to the screen. Now we go for the dimensioning. So to do that, so here 30 mm, 20 mm, 45 degree, 60 degree, 60 mm for find out the true length, and also theta we need to find out. So to do that, so we will go for dim, take intersection point of this and take int of this. So you're going to get 30. Similarly, int of this and take int of this. So here you're going to get 20. Then go to int of this and take int of this. And so here, switch off the ortho mode. So you're going to get 60 degrees. In 60 mm here. Then go to angular, select between this line and this line. So you're going to get it as 60 degrees here. Once you get this, now you go to angular, select between this line and this line. So you're going to get 40. Then you go to DDIM, then go to modify, then go to primary units, make angular precision as up to second degrees, close. Now we go for dim, so then go to angular, select between these two. Now we go for a text 21.78, so 21.78 degree, that is fine. So here give space, enter, so you keep it on this side. So you are going to get this. Then go to DDIM, then go to DDIM, then go to modify, then you make the primary this precision as 0 and say OK, and this precision as up to second decimal point, OK, and close it. Now once you do that, then you just go to dim, then take int of this and take int of this. So now we're going to get 80 go to text 80.84. So the true length is 80.84. So here you type true length equals question mark. Then you take the dimension line location, place it wherever you want. So this is how you will going to able to do that. Then go to DDIM, then go to modify and change the precision to 0 and say OK and say close. So automatically everything is going to be updated. Now we need to write the text. So we have A, so we have B1. So here go to D text, then select some arbitrary point and take the height as 3, rotation angle as 0, mark this as VP, and you mark this as HP, and you mark this as LPP, left profile plane. So here you mark this as X, you mark this as Y, you mark this as X1, and you mark this as Y1. Then we have a capital A, and this as capital A, and here capital B, this as capital B, and here you mark this as locus of B. Then here also you mark this as capital B and this as locus of B, and here you mark this as A dash, and this as A, and this as A double dash, this as B double dash. Then we have a B dash, this as B, and here once you do that, so you're going to get this as B1, and this as B1. This will be B1 dash, and this will be B dash. So then once you do that, B, you are going to get this will going to be B2, and this will going to be B2 dash. So once you do that, so all the text has been, all the points have been named. Now we need to move it appropriately. So you just go to X and you move it appropriately and take it LPP nearer, VP, then HP, then Y1. All these things can be done by using the move command, which requires the base point and the destination point. And then here you just go to capital A and place it appropriately. Then similarly you take B dash, and this will going to be the locus of B, and this will be B2 dash, and this will be capital B, and this will be B1 dash, and this will be B2, and this will be small b, and this will be B1. So here capital B, and here capital A, and this will be small a. So all these things has been named now. So now as been placed, then you just go to M text. So you just go to M text, MT, select this, and you make it as a formatting. Click on symbol. So select the symbol as the font. So here you mark this as small q, so you're going to get theta. So now we need to write the solutions. So to do that, go to the text. So here we type answers. So you type here itself, you type answers, and then here you just go to line command. So draw one horizontal line of, switch on the ortho mode of take any distance, and you draw this. Then you just go to true length 80.84 mm. So go to the text. So here you type 80.84 mm. So once you do that, so then go to zoom 0.6x. Now similarly you take zoom, enter, window, you select this two, then you just move, switch off this, you move this somewhere here, then go to line, take end point of this, switch on the ortho mode and drag this, then go to line, take nearest point on this and draw a vertical line, and go to offset, take the distance as 6. So you select this and you select this, then go to fillet between these two, and you fillet between these two, and then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge and object to trim as this, then go to the text. So here you type TL, true length. Once you do that, then we need to go for a copy this, switch off the ortho mode, select this and copy this till here, theta. Once you do that, then go to zoom window, you select this. Now you take this theta as 21.78, then go to the text. So here you type 21.78 percentage D. So then go to move, switch move this, keep it here. Once you do that, then go to zoom previous. Now we will going to change all these things to a particular layers. So first you just go to capital A's and capital B's. First you are going to change the color of this, so which will going to be blue. Okay, now you take VP, A dash, B1 dash, B dash, B2 dash and locus of B. Go to layer, make that as front view, escape. Then similarly click on this, A double dash, B double dash, make that layer as side view. Okay, then again go to HP, A, B2, locus of B, small b, B1. So you make this layer as top view. Once you do that, so you will going to get all these things. So you're going to change everything now. It has been ready. So So what is the advantage by using this layer? I can just go to front view, you freeze that. So all the front view lines will go removed. Similarly, all the locus lines, yes. All the now side view, automatically the side view will go off. Then the true length, you can switch off the true length. Then you can switch off the top view now. You can switch off the top view. So the top view is also frozen. You switch off the XY line. Suppose if you switch off the, of course, you cannot freeze this off. Yes, you can do. So if you say the current layer is turned off, yes. So all the current layer will go switched off. So nothing will going to be visible on your screen. So this is the advantage when you are doing it. But also when you are trying to take the printout, you can also have in some of the color printers will going to have identify those things by using color. So that will going to help you a lot. So you just switch on and you just switch on front view, locus, then side view, then true length, then top view, and then XY. So you're going to get this. So this is how you will be able to use your AutoCAD to the maximum extent. And you will need to go to dim and go to angular, select between this line and this line. So this angle will going to be 45 degrees. So this solution is the same as what we have written or what we have been shown here. So hence your problem will going to be the final solution as this one, wherein you are going to have true length as 80.84 and theta as 21.78 degrees. Thank you.